Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to customize iPhone control center. If you are using any iPhone and you want to customize your iPhone control center, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app and go to channel, go to software update, and the very first thing you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS. Then go back from here and just scroll to your control center. And now in your latest iOS, you have different features or different ways to customize your control center. So just keep a lump on any empty place and you might get a this type interface. You can also tap on this plus option at the top right or the top left and you will also see this type interface again. Now you can resize your widgets from here or you can move your widgets on any place which you want to. Or you have this option, just swipe it and you will see that you can resize your widgets if you want to. You can add a different control. Just this add control option and just select the control which you want to add to your control center. So for example, I'm gonna add this one here and it will be added. You can add multiple controls here. You can also resize anyone if you want to. You can move anyone, just keep one press on this and then move it on it if you want to. You can also reset any control or any widget here. Just tap on this and just swipe it and it will be resized. So in this way, you can customize your control center. If you want to remove any option or any widget from here, just have the minus option here and the widget will be removed. You can add more controls to your control center. Just select any control from here which you want to set and it will be added to your control center. Now once you have done, just tap on an empty place and your control center will be saved. So in this way, you can easily customize your control center. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.